Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Adobe Express for AI content automation. Complete guide step by step clearly. To register with Adobe Express for AI content automation, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the official Adobe Express website. Once the page loads, locate the Sign In or Get Started button on the home screen. Click on that button to proceed. You will be directed to a login page. If you already have an Adobe account, enter your email address and password. If you don't have an account, look for the option that says Create an Account or Sign Up. Click on that link to start the registration process. Fill in the required fields, which usually include your name, email address, and a password. Make sure to create a strong password to ensure your account's security. After filling out the information, read through Adobe's Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. If you agree, check the box to acknowledge this. Next, click the Sign Up or Create Account button to submit your information. You may receive a confirmation email to verify your email address. Open your email inbox and look for an email from Adobe. Click on the verification link provided in the email. This action will confirm your email address and redirect you back to Adobe Express. Now, you can log in using your newly created credentials. Once logged in, explore the dashboard of Adobe Express. Familiarize yourself with the various features available for AI content automation. Look for tutorials or guides that can help you get started with the platform. That's it. You are now registered and ready to use Adobe Express for AI content automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.